guys, we are in the new edition of Veseller, the Traveler. And ayun, andito ko ngayon sa Decathlon. So, today is Saturday and I decided to go for some exercise. So, ngayon, I walk towards Chedicitas area. So, and good thing, I decided to drop by here at Decathlon. So, nakikita natin ngayon, there's so many stuffs that you can buy, especially for sports. So, guys, so nandito na ako sa area ng pool pang swimming.
Lucas, can you get one?
Ayan, sobrang daming mga stuffs na pwedeng bilhin. Like for this one, kanina din ako galing sa may part ng mga puro pang hiking, pang trekking. So now, nandito na ako sa area na puro pang swimming.
You wanna go to Kuya?
Area for fishing. There's so much rock. Nandito pala ako sa first lane and ang dami ko na nakikita. Hindi naman super mura, pero some items are already discounted, ganyan. So, it's very good. So, let's see what's more. This one's for scuba. Scuba diving. Pinananay. Come here, baby. Go get some aqua socks. Aqua what? Pero aqua shoes talaga yung beshi. Tuwa ako. So, yan. Ito. Parang gusto ko nga bumili nito. O, diba? Scuba king. So, diba, nag-aral ako ng swimming dati. So, pinig ko ma-enhance. Wow. Ma-enhance. So, aking gagaling na. Guys, actually kung may bibili, nandun yung pang matanda. Gusto kong bumili. Tapos swimming area. Gusto ko nga rin actually nun yung towel. Parang ang ganda. 150 yung small. Yung medium is 240. Tapos yung large, 360, 600 yung isa. Yan, mga tennis area. Bumili ng parang ganito. Pero sun visor siya. Color pink yung ilalim, tapos white. So pretty. Pretty siya. I like it. I wanted to buy. Pero titingin pa ako, baka may iba pang design na mas okay. 240. Sana 100 na lang. Kuripot. Kuripot So yan, mga for tennis. Yan siya. Grabe, as in kompleto talaga. Yeah, you have the different options for the grips. Ayan. Ganito, or ganyan. So, may pang armband na nabibili. To tennis over grip. Ayan siya. 140 lang, guys. Clothing tennis. Clothing tennis for men. 300 lang. So, pretty. Good quality. Lambot siya. And mukhang comfy. It's color pink. 250 lang. Thank you. Ito table tennis. Yan pro tennis. Yung kabilang area pwede yata mag-games. Let's check. Yeah, where you can play and use the tennis. Ganyan. Ganda. diba? Mint green na shoes. Ganda. Siya. Gusto kong bilhin. Ang ganda oh. Size 40. Pa ako. So, siya ay 1,400 pesos. This one is the pink one. Ito. 960 lang siya. Balikan ko kaya bukas. Gusto ko yun. Ganda. Ganda. Nice. Sports, ayan. Even. Ano to? Ano tawag sa game na to? Kalimutan ko tuloy. Basta, yung para siyang ganyan. So, you can try it there. May area na. Lahat. Pwede mo i-try. Darts. Naisip ko na. Finally. Darts. Grabe. Lahat ng areas. Pwede. I-try. Nice, nice. Super nice. Yeah. Yung Dametri. Itong pang women. 210 na lang. Mura. Ako bibili. Gusto ko na talaga bumili. 300. Ito golf area na to. You can play golf here. Diba? Pero gusto ko i-try. Kaso lang ang monopod. Ay, wala akong yung hawak ako ng phone para makapag-video sa dito. Sun visor cap. Skit yung kanina. This one's priced at 300 again. Siyempre, ang ating mga golf umbrellas. Alam, di talaga ako natutong mag-volleyball. Diba? Ito ay 700 this one. 100 pesos lang siya. Ewan ko, di talaga ako natutong mag-volleyball. Pinali pa nga ako dati sa game. Pero wala, di talaga ako natutong. Yan. So, may clearance area din din. Okay, okay lang oh. Basketball lang. Oh, text 60 mura. Oh, 260 lang yung bola. Basketball. Mga basketball enthusiasts, punta kayo dito. 260 lang yung bola if you want. Well, as in everything that you need for sports enthusiasts, it's here. Then you can try also soccer there. Guys, so kunyari bibili ka ng mga damit, you can really try it there. Very open. As in, not everything that you need talaga. As in, from equipment, ganyan. As in, complete. Pwede ka talagang this one is just dumidikit. Oh, diba dumidikit? We static electricity. So, 180 lang siya for school sports. So cute. 12 years old and above na mga bata. Ayan, what's this? For hair, pang tie ng hair. Leggings, 200 pesos only. Ayan, mga hula hoops. Gym hoops. For posture and ergo. Softball. Kung magkakaanak ako sa future, kung magkaanak ako sa future, anak magbabalay siya. So, talaga siya magbalay. O, diba? Even balay. To think of it, my gosh. O, diba? Cute ng ballet shoes. Babies. This bags. Pa-exercise. Almost everything, like everything in terms of sports, they have it here. Like, there's no other place that you can go. Super duper love it. What's it? Jump rope for 100 pesos only. Suot ko guys. Color pink. Tapos sweatshirt. Tapos leggings. And then even skateboards guys. So may mga edition ng Christmas edition. Ayan o. Cutie. Cruisers. Ang lawak nito guys, ang lawak na. So they have sports leader where you can ask for assistance in terms of which shoes, ano dapat yung mga gamitin, what are the recommended stuffs. And the good thing about this, it's parang hati-hati yung area depending on the sport. So hindi lahat sama-sama yung damit, hindi sama-sama lahat ng mga bikes or mga shoes. So they are separated depending on the need or depending on the sports that you're going into. So, if you go in the rack na puro pang bike, everything that you will see is for biking. Even shoes for bike, damit pang bike. So, lahat ganun siya separated. And that's how well organized it is. Kaya hindi ka malilito kapag mamimili ka dito. Shop area. And then, an area where you can rest. Like, they have a parang area for lounging. May TV, ayan. So, may mga pictures sila of the events. So, this is it. This is Decathlon. Till the next vlog. So this is again Veseller the Traveler, and if you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Sports area, like a field. You can play games like there's basketball. Kanina may nag-army. So ayan.